Is AppStation really the best pay-to-play app, or is it a waste of time? My name's Michael and I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and many viewers have asked me for an updated AppStation review, so therefore I decided to record this video. I'll give you an inside look, show exactly how it works, show you some important things you need to be aware of, and I will also show you payment proof, and then you can put all that together and decide for yourself whether this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's just start by going over who can join. And AppStation is an app you can join from more or less all countries. But just be aware it is only available for Android devices. So if you have an iOS device, then it's not for you. I'll leave a link in the top corner here to a video I have about ways you can then earn from your iOS phone instead. But let me now log in and then I will show you exactly how it works so you can find out if it's worth it or not. I have now logged into the AppStation app and it is quite easy to use. Actually, you just need to kind of know how it works, but you would need to go here to the featured section, and these are the featured games you can get paid to play. And when you first join, there might not be a lot, but then usually when you download some and start playing them, then usually others will appear. But how many that are available, of course, also depends on the country you live in. But how it works is then that you can see here, you can earn up to a certain amount of coins, and we'll go over the value of these points or coins later and the total. So because then here for this particular game, you would get paid per task for certain tasks you do. For other games, it will be per minute. You can see here, these are the number of coins you would get per minute. But just be aware that always with the playtime apps like this where you get paid per minute, then usually then this would be for the first minute. Then after that, you'll probably have to play 2 minutes to get that. And then eventually you will have to play 5 minutes to get a certain amount of points added and things like this. So that's just something to be aware of. But you can just always click them here and then you can get a little preview, or you can click there, and then if you click open, you will be taken to the Play Store where you can download it. Once it has been downloaded, then you can go to this My Apps here. I have deleted most of the apps I've used to test here, but then you can find them here, and this is where you then need to click it to access them and play them for them to be able to actually track it, or at least make sure that they track it. And then whenever you have fulfilled a task that you need to do or played a certain minute, then the points will be added here. But as it also says here, sometimes it can take a few minutes before the rewards are updated, and then they will be added up here. So that's quite nice, but of course you need to know whether it will then be worth your time. So first now I'll just show you how to get paid, show payment proof and all that, and then we will also talk about the overall value of this and whether you should actually use it or not, in my opinion. So I had now jumped to the payout section, and the thing is that right now I actually don't have enough points to get paid because I just literally a few minutes ago I just wanted to test it because it's been a while since I last cashed out here, so I wanted to try to do it again, and usually then it pops up and wanted me to log into PayPal and do all kind of verification, and that's at least it was the first time I got paid. So I just wanted to see exactly what it went through before talking about it here, and then I just clicked and then it just processed the payment automatically. So I have actually just cashed out. I'll just go over that in a bit. First, I just want to show you these here because the payout options are quite decent. It can be gift cards. The exact gift cards depends on the country you live in, but you can also choose to get paid in PayPal. It will be in the local currency. For me, the lowest here is these 5,000 coins, but it's only worth around 50 cents. So 5,000 points is around that. So you can also see that you need to earn a lot of points to even earn a few dollars. But what I do not like is that actually when you first go to the payout section, it is on these special offers as a standard, and maybe you did not notice these more payouts. And what these are, they make it look like limited time offer, 10 times more for the same amount of coins, but these are actually not so much rewards. You can for example see max here, so then I can save 16%, so I would get a small discount of HBO Max for spending my coins here. So what these are actually what on most other get paid to sites and app are seen as paid offers, where usually then you would say like, okay, if I can sign up for Max and then I will get a reward for that actually, because they get paid to get you to sign up. And here, instead of you getting a reward, they take your reward to get you to take their paid offers. I really don't like that they present it as a great opportunity, but in reality reality, it really is not worth it as a reward in my opinion, because you can just find great options, great offers like this on other platforms where you will actually get paid to take them. So I would definitely stick to these more payout options there. But let me just jump to my wallet so you can see that I actually did request a payout also. So as you can see here, it says $15 actually, but it also says the local currency here. So in reality, this is equivalent to around just above $2 or so. And you can see it is in progress. It's 6 minutes ago that I did it there, that I claimed this here. And it says it can take up to 7 days. So I'll leave a screenshot here when hopefully the payment will go into my PayPal account. I have been paid by AppStation before. So I'll leave it here, and I will also there write exactly how long it took for me to get it. But let's now also talk about how much you can overall earn. So AppStation is a way to potentially earn by playing fun games, but I must also say that the rewards you get for your time are not great. When you first join, yes, it has a good joining bonus, so it doesn't take you long to reach the first payout threshold of around 5,000 coins, but the payout threshold can also vary depending on your country. So if you live in a country where that's not the case, if the payout threshold is different or if it is the same, please feel free to share your experiences in a comment below. But overall, I would say that you have to be very patient to earn here. Now I got paid around $2 or so, and it has taken a long time to reach that. You have to play a lot of games, or at least play the games for a long time to reach that level. So I would say if you use it as a way to earn because your main interest is to earn, then it's definitely not a great option, and it's only relevant if you just like some of the games, and then you can earn a little bit extra at the same time. But I would then say there are actually ways where you can earn by playing games similarly, like playtime apps, or where you can get paid to download apps and games and test them and things like this that pay more for your time than AppStation. And also what I don't like about it is this, where they make these payout options, or some of the payout options, look like they are really great opportunities when in reality they are not. So I just personally prefer other options instead. So if you want to see my top recommended ways to earn by playing games, then I do have a list of that on my website. I will leave a link to that below so you can check that out. Also, if you just prefer reading, I also do have a written review of AppStation, and I will also leave a link to that below. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.